Want to have a second income of stream? Well, who does not? With recession, inflation, war, pandemic, and layoff, our world is getting more uncertain day by day.
The Omicron subvariant of the coronavirus.
Will Russia go to war with Ukraine? What started in America has now spread to the world. The Black Lives Matter.
So, of course, we all need a second income of stream. And don't worry if you are not a finance savvy person, because you can still build a multiple income of stream and can create a better life for yourself. Hi guys, this is Ishan Naran again, and in this video I'm going to tell you 4 amazing easy ways to get a second income of stream. So let's get started, and the first way is invest. And I know it sounds quite basic, but you will be surprised to know that a survey revealed 45% of people in America regret not investing. So this is a real thing that people still hesitate to invest in shares or bonds. And the major reason for this is the risk factor. People don't want to take risks, so they prefer sticking to saving their money instead of reinvesting it. But keeping our saving in your bank account won't offer you much interest. And just like any other asset, money also depreciates. So if you want to grow your money, you should better invest. Talk to your financial advisor or search online to find out the best places to invest your money. It could be mutual funds, shares, or any other scheme. Calculate the risk factor and just make sure you don't want to place all your eggs in the same basket. And now, another great way is to start a side hustle. If you have 1 or 2 skills like content writing, graphic designing, or anything, try monetizing them. And if you don't think you can pull off any of such skill to that expert level, that's okay too, because there are ways that can actually make you money even without any technical skills and a minimal resources. And one such side hustle is selling solo ads. A solo ads is a form of paid email ads, which is a quite popular source of web traffic among affiliate marketers. And you can easily make $3,000 to $5,000 a month selling solo ad even without building an email list of your own. Wanna know how? You can join my $97 worth of solo ads training for free and find everything you need to know to make $3,000 to $5,000 by selling solo ads or email traffic. The link is in the description box below. And about 100 people have already enrolled last week, and 500 people have been started earning within the first 30 to 90 days of implementing the learning of my training program. So you can join now just by clicking the link in the description. Now moving on to the third way of getting a second income of stream, which is starting a blog. If you think you have some read-worthy writing skills, you can monetize your skill by writing a blog. You will only need to get domains, hosting, and build a website to publish your blog. And then once you start getting traffic, you can monetize it by displaying ads on your blog or by placing affiliate links of other people's products on your blog. And when someone clicks on those links or do purchases, you will get a commission for it. You can even watch my other videos on how to actually do affiliate marketing to know more about this. I have put a link in the description box below so that you can go to that video. Now moving on to the fourth easy way to get a second income stream, which is to invest in a real estate. Well, as I said earlier, your money will start depreciating if you are only save it, and you know what is the only asset which never really depreciate? It's a land, property. Its value keeping rising year by year, and that's because the land is a limited source and has increasing demand due to the high rise in the population. Simple factor, right? I hope you understood this. If you have a good amount of savings, you can buy properties and can sell them on a great margin, or simply rent them out to have a passive income. But yes, keeping in mind every work that can make you money has a degree of risk too. So make sure to do your own research and investigation before buying any property to avoid scams. Okay, so these are the 4 easiest ways to make a second income of stream. And once again, I invite you to my training if you want a hand-holding mentorship to help you make $3,000 to $5,000 consistently per month. And the link is down there. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more valuable money making insights. Cheers, bye bye.